So hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about that how we can modify this page. Basically we'll be writing hello world in this default page which is here. So let's modify this page and write our own content. So you just have to go to the directory which we have now. So we'll not be discussing about all these folders in this video, we'll be doing that in the next video. You just have to go inside the src folder, and in here you see this index.html, right? So this is basically the page that is served to the browser, and inside that we dynamically change the content inside this index.html page that is taken care by the Angular. So whatever components we will be writing, so that will be served inside, or that will be injected inside this index.html page. So you see here all these HTML elements are there. You are familiar with HTML, right? But this app root is the default component that we are passing inside this index.html, or basically Angular is passing that. If you modify this app root component, then we'll be able to change the content which is served inside the browser. So how we can modify this? You'll be able to find this component inside this app folder. Inside this app folder we have this app component.html, app component.css, which is for styling our app component.html file. This is for testing our file, and this is the all the JavaScript basically. So we'll be writing all the logic for our app component.html inside this TypeScript file, and this is our module file. We'll not be discussing about all the other things in this video. We'll be just discussing about this component.html file. So you see here in this HTML file, basically this is the HTML file which is injected inside this index.html as app root component. If we modify the content inside this file, so we'll be able to see the changes in our browser. So you see all these code is the default code which is there, which we were seeing in the browser as well. So if I change something here, let's say if I write a heading called hello world, so that will be available inside our browser as well. So if we see that, so you can see now it is saying hello world. So what we did is we just modified this HTML file, and then boom, all the code which was written inside this was changed. So this is the thing that how we'll be modifying all the code. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.